Yo, it's the DMV computer man. I think earlier we did a video of me pulling out we were diagnosing this HP. I'm inside a HP touchscreen convertible laptop, and getting a power light when it's plugged up. This is where the power button would be at, and as I press this button, I don't get nothing. So I'm assuming this button need to be replaced. This HP here doesn't turn on. And I took it apart, found a power button, had a lot of damage on both sides. I assume from my diagnostics that the power button needs to be replaced. So let's get into this thing. So I've already taken all the screws out of this already so that I could just easily open it up. Power jack has been removed already. And so this is the new, not power jack, but power button. Let's say. Trying to figure out where they got it. Let's see. This was sitting right there. It looks like we were right and it turned her on. So yeah, that was quick, fast, and efficient. You dig. So all we gotta do now is just drop a screw up in there. And to keep that from not moving around. Let's see. I'm trying to find the screw I pulled. Back in action. Just like that.